Hello, it's John and welcome to this bonus video. So what I want to do in this bonus video is talk you through the process of putting a clickable link on your YouTube video. Now, the fact that we're going through this 90-day process will mean that you're going to start to attract an audience, and that audience are going to want some more information, and that all comes from a clickable link. So what I've got here, if you look at this video here, this is on my YouTube account. And as you can see, as I've said before in some of the previous modules, here I've got a link which is a clickable link, and if I click that, then it's going to go to one of my sales funnels. That's going to give some more information about LiveGood and how they can join. So here we've got, everyone's got access to a very similar page to this for the done for you funnels. And also, as we progress with the Home Business Academy, you're going to have a number of different funnels that are custom made for you. So what happens is people can click on the yes, secure my placement, they can enter the name and email address, it puts them onto my email list, and also that funnel directs them to the back office where they can become a pre-enrollee. So essentially what you need to be doing is you need to be doing your videos and leading people towards becoming a pre-enrollee using this system. Okay. So the place where you get the links from, if you go to the team training site, you go to step 3 with the done for you sales funnels, click on this, and then what that's going to do is going to take you to the Job Free Revolution site that Nick put together. All you do is you scroll down to the done for you funnels, and let's say we're going to use link number 1. So as you can see there, there's a URL, getjobfree.com/bonus, and then you've got ID equals. And all you do is you put your LiveGood username on the end of that, okay? And mine is McLaughlin. So if I click, if I put that together, then what that's going to do, that's going to take me through to this site, and as you can see out there, get job free, and then my ID is McLaughlin on there. Now this page is optimized for me, okay? And if you put your username on the end of any of those links on those sites, it'll be optimized for you as well. And then when somebody clicks on yes, secure my top placement, they'll go through the back office. There it is, look, welcome to John's site, and everything is optimized for me. Everything will be optimized for you as well. So what that means is if people go through this process, then they will become pre-enrollees. So you've got a couple of options here. So first of all, you could put this long URL on your YouTube, or you can go to something like bit.ly, which is a link shortener, or maybe tiny URL, and use those. So if I show you an example of bit.ly, let me just copy this link. I'm going to copy this. Go to bit.ly, and if you want to create a new link, we can just create a new one, put a link on there. We can paste in the long URL. And we can put a title on there. We can also customize the back half, so we could almost sort of put it like a semi-domain on there. So if I put something like, I bet it'll be gone, but we'll try LiveGood. And we'll see what happens on there. Click on create. Yeah, it's already gone. So if I put LG, and you can play around with this as long as you want. Yeah, there's got to be a number of options, but you can play around with that. Or you can just use the whatever back option the bit.ly provides you. So it'll be numbers and letters, but it'll be a little bit more neater, a bit prettier, as we call it, a pretty link, than the long URL. And also the bit.ly links, or the tiny URLs, they're also trackable, so you can find out where people are coming from. So if you're in the Home Business Academy, one of the options in HBA is to click on the Funnel Builder tool. It's going to log me back in again. So Funnel Builder, you click on the cog, and then you click on URL redirects. And then what this does as well, it provides pretty links for those long links. So I'll just add a new redirect in there. I could put something like LG, right click, put the long code in there, click on save, and then it will be my domain name that I've optimized for HBA /LG. Okay, so it makes it nice and readable, a lot more professional. So that's really what you want to do, is also just to make sure that you put a link in your YouTube description that goes through to some sort of sales funnel process. So once people go through the sales funnel process, they'll end up in your back office as pre-enrollees. So if I take Eric, no, I won't take Eric because he's a member. Let's take Brad as an example. So what I'll do is I'll look at Brad, okay? I'll go to Loom, okay, and then I'll record him a personal message. So I'll say, hey Brad, it's John McLaughlin, nice to see you, and go through the message, explain to them what being a pre-enrollee means, and explain to them the process of the cutoff on Thursday, and then invite them to go and join as members. Also provide some information so they can reach out to you. So what I do, it might not work this, but I click on record a video. This is going to be blank because I'm recording on the on here. But essentially, when you do Loom videos, this here would be my image. Okay, so it would record me on my webcam and also record the screen. So what I tend to do is I go here, okay, so my image is here, then I'll speak to Brad, that'll be off the screen, and I'll say, hey Brad, you're pre-enrolled in the back of LiveGood, okay, because you're just here, okay, let me tell you what's going to happen. And then what I do is I take Brad's email and I'll send him a personal email. I'll send him a personal email through my personal system and write it, and off you go. And you know, as I'm recording this yesterday, this guy here responded to me, thanks for your personal email, I really appreciate it. I've got a number of questions, can you answer them? And then that starts that whole personalization going. So you've got automation on the front end, you've got personalization on the back end, and then Troy says to me, yeah, okay, I'm kind of happy, I'm going to check it out a bit more, but I'm looking at joining next week. And you've got people in the pipeline, and that's really the process that you want. So part and parcel of doing the 90-day videos is making sure your videos get found, using the SEO, going through the course, but more importantly, making sure your new audience that you're going to attract have got somewhere to go and get some more information, and that comes from links and also putting these funnel systems together. So one of the things I always say is that sales funnels and going through the tech side of things is quite overwhelming for a lot of people, and I appreciate a lot of people watching this might be thinking, how do I even do that? And in addition to the Monday night sessions that I do, for people that come on board with HBA, and there's quite a number of people now, I'm going to be doing a dedicated session for funnels and traffic, so we can get on the same page, so everyone knows what it is, and we can all do the same thing. No one gets left behind in this, and that's really going to help you. And I think, you know, if you've got the ability in your marketing career to be able to put together a sales funnel, and you've got the ability to build an email list, you can do and scale your business to wherever you want. Okay, anyway, I hope you enjoyed that bonus video. I'm John McLaughlin, and we'll talk soon. Bye for now.